Hi, welcome to my garden. Today is Sunday, May 21st. Can anybody guess what these are? No, it's not corn. Sugarcane. You're right. Now, I had grand thoughts of having sugarcane out in the garden, but sugarcane is basically grass that tastes like sugar, and that's all I need out there. I'm trying to drive the voles out from that infestation we had. I'm doing pretty good at it. Why put candy out there to entice them back in? So we're going to grow them in containers. I had a heck of a time getting these started. We started them from seed, and I guarantee you, sugarcane is grown in the part of the world it's grown in for a reason, because it's hot and sunny. It does not like Oklahoma springtime. It does not like the 40-degree mornings. We lost a few. We got a couple little stunted ones, but we have some that are growing pretty good. We started these inside, and look at those roots. That's got to go in. So we're going to go ahead and I'm probably planting these far too close together. And we'll see what we get. But that has got a pretty good little rootstock started. And this is only part of them. I find another big container. My wife's going to have a heart attack when she finds out I use this one. Look how nice that is. It definitely needs room to grow. I'm going to try to get this little batch in this container. Leave a comment down below if you've grown sugarcane. Tell me what I'm doing wrong. Tell me what I'm doing right. Once these get a little bigger, I will add mulching around these. I'm going to take this small one and put them into this little group. So now the container garden has a nice little stand of horseradish. We're going to have some sugarcane growing. You saw me put sweet potatoes in the other day. We've got mint, strawberries, Pontiac red potatoes, peanuts, a halfway respectable banana tree, a couple tubs of lotus, an amaranth and oregano, a nice little batch of parsley. You can do this too. I think the bucket garden's starting to take shape. It really doesn't matter the size of the container. A little soil, a seed, a little water, presto, you've got plants. Don't forget to stop and smell the roses from time to time. It's not all work. Until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.